Okay, it is still a tough time to be a new home builder. Losses are worse than what analysts were predicting at both Pulte and D.R. Horton, and those stocks are very active in the early session. Andy Senko is following that story.
Well, it's still very hard to get people to buy new homes here, Betty. It's really it's been a tough time to be a home builder, hasn't it? Cheaper foreclosed homes and high unemployment are still the bane of their existence here, and probably the additional problem here, Betty, is that both home builders reporting losses that are worse than forecast. Pulte here had a loss of 74 cents. The estimate here was 68. D.R. Horton missed as well. Loss of 45 cents this morning. It was only supposed to lose 23 cents. Here again, new orders keep on sinking. They were down 34% from a year ago at Pulte. D.R. Horton had a little smaller decline here of only 8%. And again, both companies did not sound upbeat at all in their press releases. Both of them said business is still challenging, citing foreclosures and the fact that it's still hard to get a home loan or a mortgage from a bank because of the tightening credit conditions. But there is a ray of light amid the gloom in this housing industry. Both Pulte and D.R. Horton are pointing to the fact that second quarter new home sales orders rose sequentially from the first quarter, and so they were pointing to that as perhaps a bottom or perhaps a turnaround in the number of new people who are coming out to sign on the dotted line, albeit many fewer than there were a year ago. The reaction this morning in terms of the stock prices is very negative here. Pulte is off about 8%, D.R. Horton down 4%, and Centex, since it's being bought by Pulte, it will just trade in line with Pulte. It is down about 7%. Betty, overall, home builders lower as a group as well. Back up to you.
Not a good group to be in today. Thank you, Andy.